Hello everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to add multiple data or multiple form to the main form. Sometimes in relational table, in one to many relation, we need to add all data together into database. So how can we do this? Suppose this is the multi-item relational data with the main table. So how can we do this multiple item JavaScript and in JQuery? We'll do this in very easy way. First, the multiple item will write into a template, and this is repeated data. We will use this HTML or template. Here we have product ID, and this is the array. We are using this, and ID name underscore 0. We set our function value and indicating with 0. Item cost array and underscore 0. This is the template. We will use this to do in easy way. Here add button to add more item or to add more form, and this is our JavaScript and JQuery. So when we give it add item, here we are getting the template with the HTML method with the JQuery. Item from template ID item for template. We are getting this portion by this ID as HTML, and now we have 0 with each ID. We replace the 0. We have counter current 0 with its increment by 1 and replacing 0 to 1. Finally, we append in our form item mode. Here we append the HTML. Add more item. Add more item. And we are calculating the sum. We can remove item. We have a class and index. At HTML we have this function, the ID or indicating 0. item replacing the incremented ID, incremented value. Remove item. When remove item, we did just dot remove with the class. Index. This is the class. We just call remove method. Now I'm gonna save. Save. Data has been saved. We did when we did, we are doing looping with the PHP data. The template, and we set the value. Here we call the template how many times with the loop add mode. That's mean what is in add mode? Template. The template we call and we are replacing with the Javascript, and finally we set our data value at edit. Suppose I send something update. In PHP, we save the main table data and we got the foreign key ID. We pass here and we will save all the data. We are doing the incoming data with loop, product, item cost, item quantity, item total. We have those multiple data and doing with array. And finally, we save each item. We can see the database. This is our main table and the ID as a foreign key in item table, this ID. So in this way we can add multiple input data or multiple form with the same with the main form or main data to save or to create one to many relational table at the same time.